If you are someone who doesn't like to use complicated hand blenders for your day-to-day cooking and finds it very cumbersome, then this is the product for you. Hi guys, I'm Ankita and today I'm going to be talking about the Kent Stainless Steel High Power Hand Blender. Now if I talk about the body and design of the product, the Kent hand blender is very sleek to look at. It has a very silky smooth finish. The entire body is made of stainless steel. If you look on top, it has the variable speed control. This is the on and off button, the turbo switch, the detachable shaft and the stainless steel multi-purpose blades. Now coming to the cord is quite flexible and it's a meter long and can be fit into any 2-pin socket in the house. Now if I talk about the features of the product, I can tell you one thing very comfortably, that it is an easy to use product. Anybody can use it in your house. Another important feature about this is that it has a variable speed control. That means you can control the speed of the blend or the mix that you're doing. It also has a turbo switch. That means in case any lump is remaining in the liquid or in the semi-liquid that you're whipping, you can use the turbo feature. Now another very important feature is the detachable shaft. Now detachable shaft makes it easy to clean and it has the stainless steel sharp blades underneath it. Now because the entire stem is so long, the liquid doesn't pop up and come to the motor and it does not damage the motor. Now if I talk about the performance of the product, I can tell you one thing very conveniently, that this is a long lasting product. That means it is not going to give you any trouble for a very long time. All you need to do is use it in 3 to 5 minute break and don't use it continuously. Another important thing to remember is don't immerse the entire product in water as it may get damaged. All you need to do is remove the detachable shaft, wash it under the water and put it back again. Don't forget to wipe down the entire product once it is finished using. So at the end, all I can tell you is the Kent Stainless Steel High Power Hand Blender is going to make a very handy kitchen companion, and now you can do any of your blending and chopping anytime you want.
Morning hours are more stressful and chaotic when multiple appliances are used for multiple chores. Presenting Hand Blender SS that effortlessly chops veggies, blends shakes and purees chutneys to perfection. With 15,000 RPM and powerful 400-watt motor, it promises low noise operation. The variable speed control helps adjust speed precisely according to specific recipes. Durable, rust-resistant stainless steel blades for perfect and finer results. The hand blender is suitable for both hot and cold blending. Detachable shaft for easy cleaning and storage. So make way for Kent Hand Blender SS because it can do all chores single-handedly.